Hi, this tutorial is a short illustration of what you should get from the mapping assignment. You do not need to copy-paste everything I'm doing right here, it's just an illustration. For that, you can refer to the actual tutorial on the website. Well, first of all, I will start off by launching a TurtleBot in Gazebo by doing ROS launch TurtleBot Gazebo, then TurtleBot World. As I wait, the TurtleBot will launch in Gazebo, as you see right here. So now, in a new terminal, and remember, a new terminal, we will see which nodes are active by doing ROS node list. You see all these nodes right here are active, which we have seen before. So now we will start off the new part of this tutorial, the gmapping node. I will start a new terminal again, and I will see ROS launch TurtleBot, and now Gazebo gmapping demo. Remember, gmapping is just a specific SLAM implementation used in this case. So now let's launch it. So now the node is active, as we see right here. And let's, as we see right here, SLAM gmapping. And let's go back to ROS node list and run it again. And we see one extra node, SLAM gmapping. So now let's take a look at what this node does. ROS node info, and then SLAM gmapping. Well, so right here you can see all the topics, all the publisher and subscribers for this specific node. And you will explore that more in the assignment. But for now on, let's move further and open up RViz. RViz, we will open it to visualize what we are doing right here by doing ROS launch TurtleBot RViz launchers, and then view navigation is what we need right here. As we wait, you see RViz is opening up, and we see right here our robot. So before we start moving the robot around, we will make it more clear what's happening right here. So first of all, you have the robot, and you have an obstacle that he is seeing, and then you have a small part of the map that's already known, this part in white right here. To visualize everything else, we will set the laser scan slightly lower by going into laser scan and then going to size and changing it to 0.06. You see now it's a thicker line right here, what the robot is observing. Let me change it again. I do 0.1. You see it's a thin line, and now it's a thicker line. So now we can see what the robot is observing with the laser scan more clear. Okay, so right now, if we move the robot around, it should make a map of the environment. So the easiest way to move the robot is, as we have seen before, using the keyboard teleoperation. Do ROS launch, or maybe even better right here, I can do Control R, and I press keyboard, and I see this command already popping up. Press run, and I can now move the robot with the keyboard. So remember, you have to have the terminal clicked, not the simulation. And now let's start moving. Nothing's happening. Wait, now something's happening. I can now observe this shelf, and because I observed it and I moved, I could draw how the environment looks like with the robot. So now I observe two more obstacles, and I'm moving toward them, and you see the map will get completer and completer as we move.